from MyStyleSpot, and I hope you are staying safe and healthy. I know a lot of us on our minds, we have immunity, building our immune systems, having healthier bodies, especially during this time of COVID-19. We want to be safe, we want to be healthy, we don't want to contract it, we want to be stronger than that. So I'm really excited to share with you an awesome superfood I've been trying, and I love, you guys. It is so yummy. It doesn't taste like a superfood, it tastes like chocolate because it is the Earth Echo's Cacao Bliss, which is, of course, kind of a cacao blended with turmeric, lucuma MCT, and 4 other superfoods. In fact, you get amazing 7 infused superfoods in this one packet. It has been proven to increase mental cognition, boost mood, sharpen focus even, so it's going to help improve your mind and skyrocket immunity. So really amazing, especially for these times. And you guys, you're going to love it. You can cook with this, you can put it in your coffee. It is so easy to add to your daily food, especially when we're all at home now cooking. And I don't like to bake, and I've enjoyed baking with this because the food is so yummy. I just made these yummy like fudge bombs, and they are with the cacao, coconut, almond butter, so delicious. I got this lovely cookbook, and it has so many yummy, delicious recipes you can do with the Cacao Bliss, including my chocolate Belgium waffle I'm about to eat. So yummy. But even if you're not really into cooking and baking, it's just really super easy to do. I add a scoop to my morning coffee, so I can show you how to do that, show you what it looks like. So when you open up the Earth Foods Cacao Bliss, it comes with a scoop so you can measure perfectly. And it's just like a powder, if you can see that. So just a really light chocolatey kind of powder, since it is cacao. And then I just add a scoop like this to my morning coffee, so super easy. And then blend. And it gives it a yummy, yummy mocha flavor. So I add my almond milk and I get a yummy mocha latte every morning. It is divine. So yeah, super yummy, if you can see that. So it's just really easy to add this into your daily routine and get some major boost, mental health boost, physical, of course, immunity, your brain power, amazing. So it's really super easy to use. I love it in my coffee. And I love that the Earth Echo products, Earth Echo foods, are sustainable and organic. They are non-GMO. And then, of course, they are dairy-free, which I love being vegan, gluten-free, and soy-free as well. So really amazing. They're also keto-friendly. It's just a raw organic chocolate powder, and it will boost your energy as well. And I love that. I've definitely noticed an awesome energy boost in the morning. I'm just feeling really good. Been on the top of my game, I feel like, even though I'm, working from home, but that's what most of us are doing right now. It's also great for reducing inflammation. And my favorite part is it actually curbs the sweet tooth, which is awesome because I crave chocolate and sugar every day. Like, I usually keep a little bit of chocolate around, but this has totally just been filling in that urge for me to eat chocolate. I can get this, put this in my coffee, make one of these yummy chocolate treats with the Cacao Bliss, and it's guilt-free. I don't have to feel guilty about having my little sweets. It's healthy. I'm getting all these awesome, boosts, mood boosts and everything with it. So really great. They use only 100% organic cacao beans, so totally organic. Again, it has turmeric in it, sea salt, cinnamon, black pepper, just some really awesome ingredients, and it tastes really good. It also has coconut in it, so just super, super healthy, real superfood, real easy to get. I love it. Just a really great product for any time of the year, but especially right now. Really amazing. You can try out Earth Echo Foods Cacao Bliss today, and you'll get a free frother, like I just used for mixing my yummy mocha latte with my Cacao Bliss in it. And you're just going to use my code MYSTYLE at checkout. You'll get your free frother. Now at earthechofoods.com, check out the link below where you can find the cacao. Earth Echo Foods are amazing, you guys. They are all organic, ethically sourced, and just great superfoods that I know you're going to love adding to your diet, and it's going to make you healthier and stronger as well. So be sure to check out Earth Echo Foods today and check out their yummy Cacao Bliss. I know you're going to love it. Let me know in the comments what you think of it if you try it out. Again, use my code, get your free frother with your purchase. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.